James Lane, the Mike Morse Law Firm. I've been an attorney since January of 2011, and I've been with the Mike Morse Law Firm for a little over 6 years now. I live in Oakland County, born and bred, except for when I went up to East Lansing for 7 years. And got a wife, 2 kids at home, enjoy outdoor activities, boating, golf, sports, and just trying to have fun. The thing that I love about my job here is really getting to help people, and that's why I became an attorney. Whether it would be through criminal matters when I was in law school and doing internships, and ultimately finding my calling working with injured people in motor vehicle accidents primarily. That's why I get up and come to work every day. Grew up going downtown to Detroit for Tigers games, going to the corner. Something I remember as a kid growing up, so I always like going down there. Still like going down for supporting all of our local teams. Just like being in the city. It's fun. It's revitalized. It's coming back. Restaurants and just going out and having a great time down there. Plays, shows. Love it. I want you to know that I'm going to get up every day and I'm going to work as hard as I possibly can to make sure that you get justice and everything that you're entitled to. I think the best part of my job and why I love the Mike Morse Law Firm is because we have such great co-workers here, and they're people that I truly enjoy being around, and that's another thing that keeps me coming back every day, is just getting to be around great people who all have a common focus and goal to do a great job for our clients.